With the release of FieldLink 2025.2, users can now run a defined plane inspection, allowing them to look at the verticality of an elevator or stair core, as well as the slope of an ADA ramp or parking garage, and flatness of just general concrete. So here we can see on the bottom, this back wall of this elevator core is fairly flat and within a 1/4 inch, close to a 1/2 inch bump out here coming in. But on the back end of this wall, it starts to, or as we climb up the wall, it starts to curve, and there's a bit of a twist to the elevator core going up, away, and then coming in on this side. Now to run this, we simply go to user defined inspection. We will turn off this current inspection and show you how to create this. I have a section box of the back wall of this elevator core. I can then come in here and select, I can do 4 points if I don't have vertical turned on, but with 2, this will essentially create a plane offset 70 feet going up. I can change this as well. But that plane will be there, and now if I accept it, I have a plane behind there to run an inspection to by using the inspection button right here. And so what we'll see is, compared to that plane, what is the distance away from it going up vertically. We can see it's over 1 1/4 inch where it twists, and it's pretty flat within 5/8 or close to 1/4. I can change the deviation level of this to 2 inches to more precisely see where that's fallen flat or where it's getting larger. So over 1 inch, it's leaning back and then twisting in at the top. So as we go up from first, second, third floors where we start to see that twist, I can communicate this by exporting an E57 LAS or LAZ of this point cloud, and it'll keep this color. I want to make sure I denote the scale bar here. Or I can create a PDF. I will do that by coming in here and hitting preview. And this will show me, or this will create a PDF report showing that. So I can save that. I can export the point cloud. My other option is to come in here and actually start to select points and create those as a good indication of where we may have issues or where I want to point someone to essentially start to grind this down if this lean is too far and not within tolerance of this elevator core. So thanks, and please check out some of the slope and flatness workflows where we show you how to use this new user-defined inspection toolbar, but start to put that concrete in or steel in more vertical or the slope in flat, and obviously keep your flat concrete flat as well. If you have any questions, please reach out to your nearest Building Point representative. Thanks.